Well, I got it out. 2008 Chevy Uplander LT. It's a V6. So you gotta be careful. You don't mess up the condenser. Man, it was a piece of cake. And these was 13, and then the fan was 10, the box was 10. The one for the radiator right here for these lines, that was 516, and everything right here, the bug, the hose, the radiator. And to take out that line from the bottom, it's better to get it out from the bottom. Take out that thing, that cover right there, and it'll be more easy. Alright, let me keep going. Don't stop, I'm almost there now. Ain't nothing impossible, man. Nothing is impossible. Not to me. The only difference between me and you, that you started before me. Other than that, that's the only difference between me and you. Alright. Well, now you come, you match them, make sure they're the same. You know what I mean? Take these out, right? Where's my little screwdriver? I just had that motherfucker right here. Right. Come and you go like this a little bit. Bam. Pull them out. Put it on yours. Do the same thing. Push it down. I need a GoPro camera. This should be hard. There it goes right there. And then check it. Bam. Bam. Sure. Now the next thing that I'm trying to learn is electrical. Once I learn the electrical, I'm good. Shit up. Ain't nothing impossible. Well, let me start putting this back on so he could come and get his shirt. Bam. Bam. Just a piece of cake. Well, not really, but it takes time. Well, let me keep going, because I've already been on it for like an hour. Well, and this the part number for the radiator. I got it from LQK from Deffer. Well, I put that. Now I just gotta put the fan on. The hose. I didn't need it done because the radiator came already with the clips on them, so that was a good thing. Now let me keep going. Well, so far I put the fan on. Everything. Remember, this is a 516 right there. Bam, bam. bang, bang. Shit, I started at 11 o'clock. I don't even know what. Let me see, what time is it? Oh, it's 1 o'clock, 1:14. Boy, like 11:30 I started. And I'm recording and really taking my time. Shit, I think I could have finished this way faster. Alright, well, let me keep going. Because now all I gotta do is just put all that back, the reservoir. Put the hose in the box. Alright, let me keep going. Sure, I'm almost done. Look, when the screw is loose, just put a little piece of paper and stick it in there.